Hey guys, so what's up? I'm, Whew. I'm a bit sick. I haven't basically left my room for the last 3 days, but I am in the process of moving out because I have to be out of this place. The, excuse me, the end of next month, and I thought, you know what? I want to remember how this place looked, even though I didn't have the best times here, and it's not the best place. But I'm like, you know what? When I'm how many years old, I want to look back and think, oh, this is how it looked, blah 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 blah. And also, a lot of people haven't been here because it's so far out of the way. And yeah, this is just for friends and family who've never seen this place. So I'm like, this is for you, and this is for my future self to remember. So yeah, because of the pandemic, I've been going kind of back and forth between California and here. I'm gonna be heading back to California, just taking some stuff to move back, just because with my job, I don't know what's happening really, so things are just kind of all over the place. But besides that, I just want to give a quick room tour. And full disclosure, if you're watching this, my room wasn't always this dirty, but you know what, sometimes it was. Let's be honest. And I'm not going to give any credit to anything organized outside of this room, because that was really not any of my doing. But I can't wait to get a new apartment, whether it be here or anywhere. I'm excited to actually decorate it the way that I would like to decorate it, and have a cool ass room and all that stuff. So without further ado, let me give you a quick room tour, even though it's not very clean. But you know what, that's just how it is, because let's be real, this apartment was really clean. Okay, so this is how it looks walking in. This is the door. This is apparently a Friends thing. I don't really know much about Friends, but my other roommates are obsessed with it, so yeah. This is the living room. We have these couches that we got pretty much given to us for $100, so that's a pretty good deal. They're comfortable, but I mean, we just needed couches, so this is what it is. We have a little patio outside, which I never even used. I went on it twice, that's it. Yeah, kind of sad, but whatever. Have a TV that I never watched on, maybe twice. This whole area, like I said before, I'm so out of breath right now. Jeez, I'm sick. Whatever. Excuse me. What am I doing? Oh my god, whatever. So yeah, this is just how it looks. It's nothing special, but it is cute. And then we have one bedroom right here. Oh, I didn't say before. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and I have 3 other roommates, so 4 of us in total. This is the kitchen area. It's pretty big kitchen for New York City. We didn't really have a table. We just ate here, or I honestly just ate in my room all the time. So yeah, lots of storage space and all that. Don't mind the mess. I'm just cleaning up. One of the bad things is they didn't have at least one what is it called, one closet to put everything, so we kind of just had everything out. So that's kind of not the best thing. We have an in-unit washer and dryer that pretty much sold us on the place, because most places in New York City do not have this, so we are very lucky to have this. Okay, and then going into here, me and my roommate share this restroom. So it has a pretty nice shower, and then we have a mirror, hello, with a lot of storage space right here. Never had an issue with that. So yeah, just a basic restroom, bathroom, whatever. This is the master bedroom. This is where 2 people slept in there, shared a room, and they have their own bathroom as well. And this is my room. Obviously, like I said, it's not clean right now, and I'm in the process of basically tearing this room up to pack things up to take back to California, because I'm gonna be I don't really know what's gonna be going on the next few months, but I need to take a lot of my stuff back to California just in case I do have to move back temporarily to California. So just need to take some stuff with me so if I have to move back, I won't have a whole bunch of crap to like take at one time. So it used to be a lot cleaner and better organized, but it is what it is. So this is the overview. I should have kind of cleaned up, but whatever. So obviously I have a nice closet space. It's very unorganized right now, but at one point it was very organized. Maybe just briefly, but it was still organized nonetheless. I got these from, what is it, IKEA, like, since I didn't have a dresser or anything. I'm glad I did this too. I was considering buying a dresser to put my clothes and stuff, but I mean, this worked out a lot better. And then I have tons of shoes, which I realized during quarantine, I was living at my parents for like 2 months. I'm gonna go back for about a month again. And I brought like 2 pairs of jeans, 2 pairs of shorts, like 4 shirts, and 2 pairs of shoes, and like 2 or 3 like sweaters and jackets, and I was fine. But also California has a lot milder weather than New York, but also like I have way too much crap, so I'm gonna try to get rid of a lot. And I don't really need to buy things ever again, so, because I've been small my whole life. But yeah, I have a lot of denim jackets, a lot of shoes, and some backpacks, luggage, just crap everywhere. I have the rainbow pride flag, of course. And this is honestly one of my favorite things. I got this from Amazon, this like tapestry type thing. You think it looks like a canvas material, but it is actually like flag type material, so it was very inexpensive, like probably under 20 bucks. I have my bed. My bed is so amazing. I'm really sad that I don't know if I'm gonna have to get rid of it or what, because I don't know, it's sad. But basically I got the mattress and stuff from Amazon. It's one of the ones that expands, and then I put a topper on it. It's amazing. And then I have one of these things. It's like a junk drawer for like underwear and then like documents and stuff. And also this is a lamp from IKEA. That's like 20 bucks. And then at one point I had live plants, but I haven't been here for a few months, so they're dead or dying. And then I had my dirty clothes thing. It's usually back there, but it's not right now. And then I had this little table. Let's just pretend it was cute at one point. And yeah. And this bed frame, I really like this bed frame because it's white and gives you something to hold on to. Am I right? And then also I have these blackout curtains, which have been a lifesaver because I need it to be completely dark when I sleep. And yeah, that's just about it. But anyways, we live in an area that's kind of far from everything. I'm not gonna really say where because it's like whatever. We're by the beach. If you're from the area, you probably could guess where we live. It's kind of by JFK too, if you could hear the plane. For 3-bedroom, it is $2,600. Yeah, like I said, it's kind of far from everything. You would catch one train to take to the city, and that takes about 45 minutes to an hour. To go to Brooklyn, between 30 to 35, 40 minutes, depending where. And there's a beach, like I could walk there in 5 minutes, but I didn't go there too much. Didn't go there too much because I mean you can't go to the beach in like January because it's freezing and cold. So I mean you can, but like why? I mean I did, but like obviously you can't go to the beach all the time. It's not like Hawaii or something. Anyways, I had a lot of memories right here, and it was my first experience living in New York in my first apartment, so that was cool. But other than that, I'm kind of glad to be leaving here because it wasn't the best area to live in. Because when you think of, well, when I thought about living in New York, this is not what I had imagined, but it is what it is. And I'm excited to see what happens next. So once again, this is my quick little apartment tour. Whatever. If you guys like these videos that I make sure you give me a thumbs up or a like or whatever, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully I'm feeling a lot better. Okay, bye.